Aina. In our previous video, we learnt about the nomenclature of spiro compounds. Okay, now we learn about the nomenclature of fused and bridged cyclic compounds. What is fused and what is bridged? In fused compounds, so if two rings are joined by only two carbon atoms, if two different rings are joined by only two carbon atoms, then such rings are said to be fused rings. Okay. Then what are bridged rings? Bridged bicyclic compounds means, suppose when two rings like this are joined by three carbon atoms, that means these three carbon atoms are they are shared by this ring as well as this ring. That means more than two carbons. If more than two carbons are shared by two rings, then they are said to be bridged bicyclic systems. Okay. If only two carbons are shared by both the rings, then they are said to be fused system. So how to give naming for such compounds? So in order to write the name, first we have to know root word. So this root word is based on number of carbon atoms in the rings. So how many carbon atoms are there in both the rings, all the rings? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons are there in the ring. Hence the name is octane. Octane. Now prefix is bicyclo. So that means to this, this will be the parent compound. Octane is the parent compound. But as it is a bicyclic compound, it is not a straight chain. It is not an open chain compound. So if it is open chain compound, simply we'll write octane. But as it is a ringed carbon, or else it is a closed chain, we have to mention what type of chain it is. Is it a single ring chain, or else multi more than one ring chain? So it is a two ring chain. Hence we have to write bicyclo. Okay, so here the bicyclo will be the prefix. Bicyclo. In the bracket, we have to write the total number of links. See, look here. This is one link. That means these two carbon atoms, they are connected by, this is one link, this is another link, and this is the third link. Okay, so how many links are there? 1, 2, 3 links are there. So that means we have to write 3 links. So bicyclo, link 1, link 2, link 3. So what is XYZ? XYZ means number of carbon atoms in each link, and they are written in descending order. See how many, this is one link, and how many atoms are there in this link? 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms are there in this link. Okay, see, don't count these carbon atoms. These are said to be bridgehead carbon atoms. The carbon atoms which are connecting the two rings, they are said to be bridgehead carbon atoms. Here these two are bridgehead carbon atoms. Okay, so here this is bridgehead carbon atoms, and here these two are bridgehead carbon atoms. So these bridgehead carbon atoms, they are connected by this link, or else by this link, or else by this link. And here also these two bridgehead carbon atoms, they are connected by one link, this link, or else they may be connected by this link, like this. So how many links are there? 3 links are there. So these bridgehead carbon, they are connected by 3 ways, or else by 3 paths, or else by 3 links. Okay, so we have to count how many carbon atoms are there, or else how many atoms are there in each link. See here, this link, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there in one link, and this link, between these two, how many carbon atoms are there? 0 carbon atoms. So 0, and here how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2. Okay, 2 carbon atoms are there. So don't count the bridgehead carbon atoms. Okay, so now here 2 carbon atoms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here between these 2 carbon atoms, through this link there is 0 carbon atom, and through this link there are 2 carbon atoms. Right. So these 3 links are there. One link is having 4 atoms, one link is having 0 atoms, and one link is having 2 atoms between the bridge heads. These are said to be bridge head carbon atoms. Okay, bridge head carbon atoms. So like this, bridge head carbon atoms are connected by links. So now we have to write the links in the bracket. The links means the number of atoms in each link. So we have to write this one in descending order. What is the descending order? 4, 2, 0, or else 4, 2, 0. So in this bracket we have to write the links, the number of carbon atoms present in each link. Okay, so I mean link wise. So according to descending order, 4, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0. So like this. That means prefix is bicyclo and bracket. So this entire thing is said to be prefix. Okay, that means this is what? Prefix. And this is root word, and this is primary suffix. Primary suffix, root word, and this one is primary prefix. Okay, this part, this entire thing up to here, that even the bracket also will become the part of the primary prefix only. Okay, so now this one, altogether how many carbons are there, how many atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means nonane. Nonane. As it is a bicyclic system, we have to write bicyclo. Bicyclo. Even for fused rings or bridged rings also we have to write the same fashion, the same way. And even the bracket. Okay. Now there are 3 links. This is one link, this is a second link, and this is a third link. And we have to write, we have to see how many atoms are there that connect bridgehead carbon atoms. So these are the bridgehead carbon atoms. These bridgehead carbon atoms are connected through these carbon atoms. Okay, how many carbon atoms are there in this link in between 2 bridgeheads? So 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms are there. Okay, next, in this link there is only one atom, 1, and in this link between these 2 bridgehead atoms there are only 2 atoms, right? So 3 links with one link with 4 atoms, one link with 1 atom only, one link with 2 atoms. Now arrange them in descending order, 4, 2, 1. So like that. So we have to use the number of atoms present in those links. We should not count bridgehead atoms while counting the links. Okay. So now this is the name of this compound. So like this, the name of the compound will be written. See here, prefix is bicyclo XYZ. What is XYZ? XYZ are nothing but the number of carbon atoms in each link. So here XYZ or else XYZ, they should be written in descending order. Okay, links are written in descending order. So after writing the links in descending order, 4, 2 and 1. So that descending order we have to mention in the bracket. That numbers. XYZ are what? They are numbers. The number of carbon atoms in each link. Right. Next, after doing this one, Next, we have to give numbering. How to give numbering? Numbering starts at bridgehead carbon atoms. In spiro, see in the previous video, we have learned about spiro compounds. Suppose if two rings are joined by only one carbon atom, then such compounds are said to be spiro. While numbering the spiro carbons, spiro compound, so we have to give numbering starting from the smaller ring for spiro compounds. But here, these are bicyclo compounds. For bicyclo compounds, that means either fused or else bridgehead bicyclic compounds. We have to give numbering first for the larger size ring. Okay, so this is the large size link. So we have to give numbering first in the large size link. So here, and one more thing. So the number 1 should start from the bridgehead, whereas in spiro the spirocenter carbon. The spirocenter carbon should get a number only after the completion of the small ring. See here in spirocyclic compound we'll give numbering like this: first carbon, first atom, second atom, and this will become the third atom. And next numbering will be proceeded in the larger ring. So fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. So this is the way how spiro compounds should be numbered. But in bicyclic compounds, the numbering starts from bridgehead carbon, okay, and proceed towards the other bridgehead carbon. So here, which there are out of these 3 links, which link should get the number first? So the link with the larger number of carbon atoms will get should be given numbering first. So start from the bridgehead carbon. So we may start from this carbon or else this carbon. From any carbon we may start. So now I will start from this carbon. So this will be number 1, this will be number 2, this will be number 3, this will be number 4, this will be number 5, and this carbon, the other bridgehead carbon, will get number 6. Always remember that the first number should be given to a bridgehead carbon in bicyclo compounds, whereas in spiro compounds, the center, the carbon which connects the rings should not given the first number. Okay, so here the adjacent carbon to the spiro center carbon, okay, spiro carbon center. So this is the adjacent carbon. So the adjacent carbon should get number 1. So this is about spiro compounds. Now we are not discussing about spiro compounds. So as we are discussing about this bicyclo compounds, so in bicyclo compounds, number 1 should be given to the bridgehead carbon, and through the larger link we have to give numbering, okay, and the larger link will end with again the numbering will